Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we want to see how sound waves can travel through a medium. If you go to the hospital, doctors use an equipment called the stethoscope to clearly hear the heartbeat of human beings. It collects sound waves from the heart and transfers them to the doctor's ears. Today we want to do this experiment with spoons. I called it singing spoons. This string will collect the sound waves from the spoon, pass it through your fingers to your ears, and you clearly hear the heartbeat. So let's get started. We're going to be using masking tape, a ruler, scissors, spoons, and a string. Let's start by cutting this string. You cut it, the length will be from one arm of yours to the other, like this. Then you cut it at this point. We're done with this string, you can keep it. So it will be this long. Then you spread it across your table. You get 3 metal spoons. Then you get your masking tape. Cut a little. Cut a little like this. Then you tape the string to the spoon at this end, like this, something like this. Okay. You get another tape, you tape the next spoon, giving a gap of about 1 inch. Tape it to the string like this also. Good. You get the other spoon and give a gap also of about 1 inch, like this. Then also get the other tape. Like this. Good. You make sure it's firm. We're done with this and this. Next, you wrap your fingers around the string like this and let it be firm, something like this. Then you dangle the spoons. Then you put your fingers in your ears. Dangle them and observe. You observe that the sound will be louder. How does it work? As these spoons are knocking each other like this, they are producing sound. But you cannot hear the sound as clearly as when you put your fingers in your ears. The sound waves will travel through this metal. Now, metals have their molecules packed together, so sound waves can easily pass through metals. Sound waves does not easily pass through air. That's what happens with the stethoscope. It collects the heartbeat from your heart, passes it through the tube to the doctor's ears, and the doctor can clearly hear the heartbeat. Now you can replace these metal spoons with plastic spoons. Do the same thing and observe. Do the same thing with wooden spoons and observe the sound. That'll be all for singing spoons today. To do singing spoons, we needed 3 spoons, a string, a masking tape, your ruler, and your scissors. See you next time.